Hey guys, in this video I'm going to answer the question if YouTube TV offers a student discount. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So based on this article, YouTube TV does not offer a student discount. However, YouTube Premium does provide a student membership plan. So with the YouTube Premium student membership, you need to hit these eligibility criteria. So you must be enrolled as a student at a higher education institution in a location where YouTube student memberships are offered. Your institution must be approved by Share ID, the verification service used by YouTube, and you need to verify your student status through Share ID. So with the membership details, the student membership offers the same benefits as the regular YouTube Premium subscriptions, including ad-free videos, background play, and offline downloads. The discounted rate is available for up to 4 consecutive years with annual re-verification required. And now, with the availability with this, so YouTube Premium student memberships are available in multiple countries. So now if you go to the bottom of the page, it will say start a paid student membership. So if you're interested in this YouTube Premium, go ahead and click onto that, or YouTube Music Premium.